Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set the review kits into your thank you page. Let's say, for example, you have a landing page to collect leads, or you have a sales funnel, or even if you have a webinar funnel, and into the thank you page, you want to add a review collection uh, option. Okay, so in this case, you can set up the review kit into that thank you page. Okay, in this example, you can see here we have a thank you page, and into the thank you page we have the option to get feedback. Okay, we would love to hear your feedback. Okay, once they want to give you the 4-star or 5-star review, then the review kits will open, and then they can choose the platform where they will give you the review, and they can complete the process. Okay, but in case they want to give you the 3-star reviews, 2-star or 1-star review, okay, so less than 4 or 5-star, it will open the form as usual. Then they can put their feedback. Actually, for until up to the 3-star review, we marked it as negative feedback. That's why it will open the form right way into the page. Then they can give their feedback. But if they want to give you the 4-star or 5-star review, it will open the platform links. Okay, so let me show you how you can set this up. Okay, here you can see I already copied the code snippet from here, okay, into the 7th video of this series, okay, of this training. You will see we have a video called setup review kits code snippets. Okay, so into this uh, uh, video, okay, you will see all the code snippets and everything we have here. All you just need to copy the code snippet and add this into your platform, your page builder, okay, by using the custom HTML and JavaScript code option, and then put all your links, okay, everything, all the links you want to put here, like your Google My Business review page link, the Trustpilot, Airbnb, Facebook, Yelp, whatever you want. Even if you want to use the custom link, then you can also do this. But in case if you don't need all of this, then you need to just delete. Let's say, for example, I want to collect review for Google My Business, Trustpilot, and Airbnb, and Facebook. Okay, so in this case, I will delete all other like this, and then make sure for the last one you don't have the comma. Okay, just delete this, and you are good to go. Okay, so in this example, I'm going to put everything here, and then we'll click here to save. And one more thing you need to do, let me show you. From here, you see we have two different code snippets, like the HTML and JS code. Okay, so go to the JS code option and copy this code snippet from here, and go back to your GoHighLevel account and open the tracking code. Okay, click here to open the tracking code, and it will give you the pop-up to put your code, and just paste the code snippet into your header tracking code. Okay, that's it. And once you save it, okay, let me save it, and then I will preview the page. If everything goes well, then we should have working review kits into this thank you page. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, yeah, you can see here we have the working review kits installed already. Okay, so this way you can add the review kits into any of your thank you page. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you like it, and if you want to do this, then do this way. Thanks again for watching this video. Have a nice day.